Hey y'all, welcome back to another video with your girl Nat, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made these praline pecan. So please give me a like on your way in, comment, and also subscribe so you don't miss out on another one of my weekly videos. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So for our ingredients, we'll be using 1 cup of sugar, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of roasted pecans, 1 cup of brown sugar, and then we're going to have some vanilla extract and also some Carnation's evaporated milk. Now we're going to be combining our sugars. And don't worry y'all, I will leave everything down listed below so y'all can follow along. Now I'm going to be using 3/4 of a cup of Carnation milk. Now we're going to give everything a good stir, making sure we incorporate our milk and our sugars together. And a little more milk. To keep on giving this sugar a stir until you get a caramel consistency, and you will know when it's in this liquid form. So we're going to just let this cook over medium-high heat for about 5 minutes. Now you're going to add your 1 cup of pecans and give everything a good stir. You want to make sure all the pecans are covered. Now we're going to add 4 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to mix this very well. And then at this point we're going to go ahead and add our vanilla extract as well. Now once your caramel gets to this point, we're going to go ahead and turn off our oven, and we're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes. So when it gets sticky and tacky like this is when you know it's time for us to start laying the candy down. Now we're going to just butter down a baking sheet. And I'll be using the ice cream scoop, and we're going to gather up some of the pralines, add them on our baking sheet. And make sure when you put them on the baking sheet, you space them out enough to where they don't touch, so they don't stick together. Now we're just going to let these sit for about 30 minutes until they firm up and you're able to pick them up. And just like that, we got ourselves some praline pecans. Now this recipe was super easy to make, and I really do hope you guys try it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. Until next time, you guys, peace.